street, I sound like Snoop Dogg. I'm rolling down the avenue. No, I'm not Snoop Dogg. But obviously Snoop Dogg was on last night and getting recognition. He's a great businessman, okay? So streets are the most dangerous. Why? We let our guard down. So I'm going to go ahead and make a right turn. This intersection, I want you guys to look at this. This intersection is a T intersection. It's a one, when you stop, there is one stop sign. So it's a partially controlled, okay? You'll see that stop sign. We're the main thoroughfare. We have the right of way, but people don't stop. So when you're learning how to drive, for all of you, understand these rules. A lot of people don't. So we're going to be driving through a neighborhood. If I was driving all of you, I'd say, okay, let's go through a neighborhood, gang, right? And I'm going to make my turn. And I'm still off until Monday. So I'm going to try to go live as much as I can. I'll go live this evening. And really, even though it's almost 12, this is like my morning session. So we're going down the neighborhood. We're scanning. We're looking for kids. Obviously, it's going to be trash pickup later. So people are putting out stuff from the holidays, New Year's. People are still recovering. Okay, so I'm at 17. The speed limit is 25 miles an hour. Okay, so I'm just going slow, scanning left and right. You don't have to go 25. You just want to watch for kids. You want to watch for cars, people backing up, backing out. And you want to, if you can, you should put your car in the driveway. Person walking the dogs. It's cute. But, you know, you want to make sure everything is good. Okay? Because we want to start the new year off right. I'm starting the new year off right with all you guys just saying positivity. I'm giving it back to you. And we're going to really make 2025 a special year. So I got to stop, right? I dropped my little clipboard. I got to stop. So this is a regulatory sign. Stop for minimum 3 seconds. Don't get sloppy in this. I was driving a client the other day. The police were at every single intersection. That was rare. But if you get sloppy driving, you're going to blow this. And you're going to get a ticket for nothing. Okay? So I'm going to go up and check traffic. I pause. I look. I check. I'm going to take you into a really hard area that I take clients to really show you how to drive. We're just opening it up, right? So I got to go up to the stop sign and put those comments in. Guys, we're going to get together on Instagram today. I'm out running some errands, talking about some things you need to pass your test. I'm going to pause again. We stop.